So there was one of these that just come over, well, went that way, which was a president plane, and there's a second one, and it's actually coming over. Look at that. Beautiful. So there's been 2 Boeing C-32As, and one is going over right now. I didn't get the first one, but here's the second one. Boeing C-32. And this is like the first time ever catching them. And there's been 2 today. Oh my god, Cessna, shut up. Bro, I'm trying to record a C-32A here. I'm trying to record you. Get out of here, G-Shawk. But that is just insane. There it goes. Wow. Awesome. Very weird. I wonder who's in it. But that was really cool. Oh no, I see him. There he goes into it. Yeah, that was really, really cool. Awesome.